Nope, that's a fish. Now y'all are coming to play. There you go. Yeah, man. Not too bad though. Gosh, dude. It started coming towards me. I thought I was slackline or something. I'm telling you, garlic, Tube Lube's garlic bait, put it on the tube, and I'm catching fish back-to-back cast. Crazy. Gosh dang, there we go. Holy, dude, I'm just smoking them. Oh my, oh, you're a fighter too. Another one, I'm telling you, I don't know what it is about this Tube Lube stuff, but they are loving it. That right there. There we go, another one. As soon as I put that more Tube Lube on in the tube, I'm telling you guys. Let me show you here. If you guys don't have this for these tubes, you ain't gonna get bit as much. Get yourself Tube Lube Gar-Lick scent. Another fish.